The number killed in Myanmar's catastrophic earthquake has passed 1,000, its military government said on Saturday. That's a sharp increase from initial reports of 144 dead, and experts are warning Myanmar's final death toll could be much, much higher. The U.S. Geological Service's predictive modeling has estimated it could be over 10,000. It also warned that losses could exceed the impoverished Southeast Asian country's annual economic output. Friday's quake collapsed buildings and crippled critical infrastructure in a country already torn apart by a grinding civil war. Plan International's Sue Monte said the situation in the central city of Mandalay, near the epicenter, was desperate. The quake killed several people in neighboring Thailand and brought down an under-construction skyscraper in Bangkok. Foreign rescue workers began flying into Myanmar on Saturday to assist in the search for survivors. A Chinese rescue team has arrived in Myanmar's commercial capital Yangon, south of the hardest-hit cities, Mandalay, and the country's purpose-built capital, Naypyidaw. Russia, India, Malaysia, and Singapore have sent relief supplies, and personnel in South Korea said it would provide an initial $2 million in humanitarian aid.